So patients often come to us with a lot of questions about treatment, which is expected. This implant dental treatment can sometimes be overwhelming for patients.
Pain, is it gonna hurt? What's it gonna look like? What can I eat? What can I not eat?
One of the best things that we do here at Wellness Dental is offer full in-office sedation. We start an IV, they sleep through the procedure, and there's no fear when the surgery is done while the patient is sedated.
The day I had my procedure done, pulling my teeth, they made sure I didn't feel anything, because when they were done, I didn't even know they had worked on my mouth. I mean, it just went by so smoothly.
I thought implant gonna be painful, but it's not. They numb you, they do the procedure, it was fine, you don't feel anything. But then after the procedure, I just took one painkiller, that's all I need.
The advancement of technology has really pushed our field forward in a lot of ways. And one of the things that I love about our group is that we are very on top of following these advancements in the dental field. And so we use a combination of our intraoral scanners that allows us to caption the position of what teeth you may currently have, in addition to using our 3D facial scanner. And by using both of these together, we can create a plan for how we want your teeth to look like.
And then sometimes we can even print that same smile the same day. So you can walk out with teeth the same day. If we need to make changes, we make changes on the computer, and then we reprint another set.
Dr. Fard was able to make my teeth larger. So she increased my bite, and I could not be more pleased with the results.
So for patients considering extensive dental implant care like we provide here at Wellness Dental, I know that one of the hardest things that you can do is start the process.
If I could go back in time and do this earlier, I would have done this a long time, and not gone through everything I went through with my dental problems.
But more importantly, it's functional. You can eat anything you want to eat. You adhere to the rules, and so it was great from A to Z. And true, like I'd already stated, is it's the best thing I ever did.
One of the things I'd like for all potential patients to know, or people interested in coming to see us, is that if you are looking to find a dentist that wants to make you part of their family, all my patients are like family to me.
I want our patients to know that when they join the Wellness family, it's like we're welcoming them into our home. Wellness
Dental is someone I would, in a heartbeat, recommend and stamp of approval, because I'm living proof. They're a great organization.
And we want to see you smile with confidence and enjoy all the benefits that come with having a new smile.